Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
In giving, as I tell PC always when I meet him, that we have to see that we have to give continuous water to the people of Goa, and in the form of almost 24 hours water supply. I know that the team, the previous engineers have been working, the present engineers are working, but we all have to set a goal, which I have requested PC and his team, including CE and his entire team, that over a period of next few years, we should strive to give 24 hours drinking water to the people of Goa. Not that we are not getting in some places. We have achieved it in some places, but there are some places we still have to achieve. I think we will initiate a school movement in every, we take the help of Honorable Chief Minister, where all our engineers express, they go back to the schools, as they have come out from the schools and become engineers. Go back to the school where we have to integrate and give our thoughts as to the younger generation of how to save water and how is the way. It's not that the children don't know. It's not that the younger generation does not know that they have to conserve water. It is being taught to them by the teachers. But we as part of PWD will make an interactive session where every school, whether it is for a certain, like let us say from the standard 7th onwards, we make some sort of a curriculum where our engineers, our JEs, AEs or Es go to that particular school.
We have been supplying around 538 MLD of the water, but actually what is billed is around 386 MLD of water, which shows a very high revenue losses, and it accounts to around 30%, and that's where we need to focus on. With this background, I'd like to go ahead with water conservation, which is very, very vital. In this era of climate change, we require to conserve water, at the same time reduce the use of water, recycle the water and reuse it. As far as reduction of water is concerned, I think we can make a beginning right at one's own house. It has been said, in fact, you take 100 liters consumption per day per person, 50% of water just get wasted. And out of that, if you take a shower, it's around about 30%. In fact, we should have some overhead tanks with sensor. We should look for technology to come in to ensure that we really judiciously use the water.